everyone, my name is Rose. I'm from sewingforthesoul.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful multi-way dress. This is a really easy project, and although it's really easy, it looks amazing when it's done. Every time I wear this dress I get such nice compliments on it, so it's definitely a good one to add to your sewing repertoire. All of the details of what you'll need are below, so have a quick look before we get started, and I will see you on the sewing floor. Bye! Okay, so now it's time to start measuring. First of all, I'm going to start with the straps. So what I've done is I've laid all my fabric out on the floor and I folded it in half. So the multi-way straps, the longer they are, the better. These straps will simply attach to the skirt and be the long straps that you wrap around you and attach in any way you want to secure the dress together. That is the beauty of a multi-way strap. So, because I only have quite small boobs, I think you sort of just have to measure this on what you have got, what God's given you. I've measured from my underarm to the middle of my chest, and that is about 8.5 inches. So I'm going to do each strap as 8.5 inches. So it will be almost like this, and you want to make sure that you've got enough, that there is enough to cover your boobs, because there is nothing worse. And then when the dress is all ready, the neckline will look something like this. Okay, so now we have got the straps, I'm going to make the circle skirt. So circle skirt maths is usually quite difficult, and I am definitely mathematically challenged. So there's a really great app that I use. It's a calculator which is created by a blog. It's called Hand by London. Anyway, I've put the link below just so you can work out your waist measurements. So I've done my waist measurements and I've got a 29-inch waist. That makes the radius of my waist 8.5 inches. So from the corner of the selvage edge, measure out 8.5 inches. Now we can move on to working out the length of the dress. So I measured it beforehand and I wanted it to be a midi dress, so I went for about 20 inches from the waistband. So following the same curve, you trace along so the length of the skirt is 20 inches. Please try and ignore my very cute dog. She loves to stand on all my material when I'm sewing. Anyway, when you've cut that out, you are ready for the next stage. Now this is what all of your fabric should look like when it's all laid out and cut. Now it's time to add a little bit of elastic. Wrap the elastic around you, find your waist measurement and cut. Now we're going to add the elastic into the skirt, so we're going to fold the fabric over at the top in order to be able to feed the elastic through. Once you've threaded all of the elastic through, this is what your skirt should look like. You then need to secure the elastic with a few stitches. Don't worry if this is rough, you won't see it when it's in the skirt. Once the elastic's secure, we are now ready to sew the two sides of the skirt together to close it up. With right sides together, we are going to stitch all the way from the top of the skirt right to the bottom. Once the bottom of the skirt is complete, you have to attach the two straps that we cut earlier to the top of the skirt. Make sure you leave those edges free so you are able to wrap the dress in as many ways as you like. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you liked it and you have got a fabulous dress to wear at the end of it. Please show me what you've made. I would love to connect with more sewers around the world. So please let me know how you found the tutorial and what you think could be better. Follow me on Instagram at sewingforthesoul_blog_, and yeah, like and subscribe to the YouTube video. See you later, bye!